If you need a projector that delivers bright, detailed visuals in any professional setting, the Panasonic PT-VMZ51S WUXGA LCD laser projector stands out. This isn't a typical home projector. It's engineered for offices, classrooms, and conference rooms where image clarity and consistent performance are essential. With 5,200 lumens of brightness, it can overcome ambient light and still produce sharp, vibrant images. Its WUXGA resolution provides 1920 by 1200 pixels of crisp detail, making it ideal for presentations, charts, spreadsheets, or video content. The LCD technology ensures accurate color reproduction, while the laser light source offers long-term reliability without the frequent maintenance that traditional lamps require. This projector can operate up to 20,000 hours, giving years of uninterrupted performance. The design is sleek and professional. Its white finish blends seamlessly into most environments, and while it's larger than a compact home unit, it remains relatively easy to install and adjust. The projector supports multiple inputs including HDMI and VGA, though it lacks digital link. This emphasizes that the PT-VMZ51S is focused on dependable image quality rather than additional smart features. Performance in bright rooms is impressive. Even with ambient light, visuals remain clear and colors retain vibrancy. This makes it perfect for classrooms or boardrooms, where clear projection is critical for understanding detailed content. The combination of brightness and resolution ensures that every detail is visible and every color is accurate. The laser light source provides several advantages. Power on is almost instantaneous, and there's no need for frequent lamp replacements. Energy consumption is lower compared to traditional lamps, and eco mode allows further savings. Lens shift and zoom adjustments provide installation flexibility, whether mounted on a ceiling or placed on a table, making it adaptable to a variety of spaces. Audio is not the focus here. Built-in speakers are limited, so external sound solutions are recommended for presentations or multimedia applications. However, when it comes to pure visual performance, this projector excels. Its strength lies in delivering bright, high-quality images consistently without compromise. Maintenance is minimal. Occasional filter cleaning is the primary requirement, while the long-lasting laser source eliminates the hassle of lamp replacements. It's designed for professionals who need a dependable projector that consistently performs at a high level. Overall, the PT-VMZ51S is a professional-grade projector that balances brightness, color accuracy, and durability. It's ideal for anyone who needs reliable, high-performance projection in offices, classrooms, or conference rooms. For those interested in purchasing, the link in the description takes you to a trusted source where you can get this projector directly.